Hi, first grade. Happy March 1st. Can you believe it's already March? Look what I found over the weekend. I found these coins. We've been talking about these coins, and these are dimes. There's a couple of dimes. Oh, look, there's 3 dimes in here. And then I also found these 4 pennies. How much money do you think I have in all? What is the value of all of these coins together? We're going to talk about that in just a minute. So let's go look at how we can count a group of unlike coins to find the value. Ready? Let's go. So today we will determine the value of a collection of unlike coins. How are we going to do this? We're going to use place value blocks, a 100 chart, and skip counting to find the total value of a collection of coins. Why is this important? It is important because we need to be able to count money correctly. Let's review some of our vocabulary words. The first one is cent. Say the word cent. A cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That's an amount of money that is less than a dollar. And what was this coin called? A penny. Say penny. A penny is copper, is round, is Abraham Lincoln, it has the Lincoln Memorial, or it might have the Union Shield on the back. A penny is worth 1 cent. What was this famous coin? The dime. This is the dime. It's a silver-colored coin made of both copper and nickel that has President Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. On the back, it had the olive branches and the torch. Remember how much a dime was worth? 10 cents. So this is a dime. Say the word dime. Very good. A new word we have for today is called collection. Say the word collection. A collection is a group of like or unlike objects. A lot of people like to collect things, and they can all be the same or they can all be different. But some examples of a collection are, here are some marbles, a collection of marbles. Here is a collection of books, and this is a collection of cars. Our next word is value. Say value. That is the total amount something is worth in money. Examples. 25 cents. It's worth 25 cents. $3.99. 4 pennies is worth 4 cents. Where have we seen these before? Where have we seen pictures like that before? At the store. We see those at the store all the time. There's prices on things that tells you how much something is worth. That's called its value. And here are some coins that we're going to practice counting before we go count the ones that I have. So let's think about what we need to do first. First, we need to separate them and put them in order from the largest value to the smallest value. So we have 3 dimes, 3 pennies, and 1 dime. So which coin has the highest or the largest value? Well, a penny is 1 cent and a dime is 10 cents. Which one is worth more? The dime. Very good. So we're going to put the dime first. We're always going to start with the coin with the largest value. All right, so the coin that would go next would be a penny. And since we have 3 of them, we are putting all 3 pennies right next to each other after the dime. Now we are ready to count. This is how we're going to count the coins today. We are going to use our skip counting. What do we count dimes by? Tens. Very good. 10. Now we have a penny. We don't count pennies by tens. What are we going to do here? We're going to count on. So 10. And one more would be 11. 10 and 2 more would be 12. 10 and 3 more would be 13. So our total value of these coins is 13 cents. We can also use our place value blocks to find the total amount. A dime is worth 10 cents. What else is worth 10? A long, that's right. A long is worth 10. A penny is worth 1 cent. What else is worth 1? A unit. So we can put a unit under each of these pennies because we count the units by ones and we count the pennies by ones. So now we can just count our place value blocks. We have 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much money do we have? 13 cents. Very good. All right, let's count this money together. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents is the total value of these coins, this group of coins. Let's look at another way to count this group of coins. We can also use our 100 chart. Remember, we count dimes by tens. That's right. So we're going to start with 10 on our 100 chart. Now we have a penny. A penny we count by ones. So we're just going to move one space, like a board game. 10 and one space, one for each penny. So now we're going to move another space for one more penny and one more space for the last penny. What number did we land on? 13. And how much money do we have? 13 cents. That is correct. So we can use our skip counting, we can use our place value blocks, and we can use our 100 chart to count unlike coins. All right, are you ready to go practice? Practice counting my money that I found this weekend? All right, you're going to need your place value blocks, so pause the video and get those out. If you are at home, you can use, just draw a line, draw a quick picture, draw the longs, and you can draw the units. But if you have your blocks in a baggie, please pause the video and go get those real quick. Okay, everybody got their place value blocks? Good. All right, so the first thing we need to do is start with the coin that has the largest value. Is that going to be my pennies or my dimes? My dimes. So I'm going to pull my dimes down. Okay, so I have 3 dimes. Now the next largest value would be the pennies. I don't have any other coins in there. I'm going to move all these up so everybody can see how we line them up before we count them. So we have all our dimes first, and then the next largest value would be our pennies. We are going to use our place value blocks to count these coins. Okay, you ready? So I have a dime. How much is a dime? 10. What else is worth 10? A long. Everybody needs to put down 1 long. Okay, so now I have another dime. How much is that dime? That is also worth 10. So put down another long. So we have 10, 20 so far. Because this is 10 and this is 10. 10, 20. What about this third dime? What am I going to put there? A third long. Very good. You guys are catching on very quickly. So if I have this long, I now have 10, 20, 30. Whoa, 30 cents. Now we have to start counting the pennies. We don't count the pennies by tens. What do we count the pennies by? Ones. What else do we count by ones? That's right, our units, the little cubes. So this is 1. This penny is 1. This penny is 1. And this penny is 1. Now we can count our place value blocks to find out how much money we have in all. So count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. How much money do we have in all? 34 cents. You are exactly right. Another way we can count our money is to use a 100 chart. So we're still going to start with the largest value coin, which is our dime. Our dime is worth what? 10 cents. So now we have another dime. So we're going to count by tens 3 times. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. You count by tens. Now we got to the pennies. What are we going to need to count now? Ones. So we have 30, and then we're going to move one space, 31, 32, 33, and our last one is 34, because we have 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dimes and 4 pennies gives us 34 cents. All right, now let's practice our skip counting. We're going to start with the dimes, and we count the dimes by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Uh-oh, what do we do now? We have to switch to ones. So 30 and 1 more. 31, 32, 33, and the last one is 34. Very good. This is the way you're going to write that on your paper today. So our first dime was worth 10 cents. And then we count dimes by 10. So 10, 20. Good. You tell me what to write. 10, 20. What's this one going to be? 30. Now we're counting by ones. So 30, what's one space? 31. Very good. 32, 33, and the last one is 34 cents. Let's count this one more time. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 cents. So now on your independent practice, you are going to